Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to unlock Orange GAMA802. As usual, we have here one sample which is network locked and requests the unlock code. So in order to unlock it, I'm going to use Furiousgold box and OT Smart module latest version. So in order to unlock this device, we first need to power it off. And returning back to the software, I'm going to select the model, and from the operations remove SIM lock. Once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to simply insert the cable in the powered off phone, and if all is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. So phone unlocked in only 26 seconds. Now let's check if the device is unlocked. As you can see, it's not requesting anymore for any unlock code. We need to wait a little for it to register in the network. So as you can see, Vodafone Romania, full signal, so the phone got successfully unlocked. Thanks for watching this video tutorial, bye bye.